Seniors, if you are skipping these 3 foods, you might want to think again. Many seniors around the world skip meals because they do feel hungry, or they read trying to eat less to lose weight or control their blood sugar levels. However, studies show that skipping certain meals can cause nutrient deficiencies, slow down your metabolism and cause you to gain weight. So today we're going to talk about why you should not be skipping these 3 important foods. And if you're enjoying this video so far, please hit the like button. Number 1. Breakfast. Skipping breakfast is a big no-no for seniors. Many studies have linked skipping breakfast to weight gain, high blood sugar levels, and a higher risk of heart disease. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that people who skipped breakfast were more likely to have high cholesterol and high blood sugar levels compared to those who ate breakfast regularly. Another study published in the Journal of the American Heart Association found that people who ate breakfast regularly had a lower risk of developing heart disease. But why does this happen? Well, when you skip breakfast, you're more likely to overeat at lunch because your body is in a starved state, and then you get hungry and tend to eat everything in sight. Also, breakfast helps kickstart your metabolism, which means that you'll be more active throughout the day and burn calories more efficiently. If you don't eat breakfast, your metabolism slows down, since there is no fuel for your body to use, meaning that you will end up feeling tired and sluggish throughout the day and not as active, which can lead to weight gain. To help kickstart your metabolism, eat a light breakfast that includes protein, such as eggs, Greek yogurt, or cottage cheese. Number 2. Lunch. Skipping lunch can cause hunger and cravings later in the day, leading to overeating at dinner. This can cause weight gain, and also when you go too long without food, your stomach acids weakens, which makes it harder to digest your food. If you're finding it difficult to eat all of your lunch, try eating smaller portions throughout the day instead. For example, you can eat half of your lunch at noon and the other half a few hours later. Number 3. Snacks. Studies have shown that people who snack mindlessly between meals are more likely to be overweight. On the other hand, research has also shown that those who eat healthy snacks, like fruits and vegetables, can maintain a healthy weight and have lower cholesterol levels. When you snack mindlessly, you're more likely to consume empty calories that fill you up and can lead to weight gain. Empty calories are found in processed foods like potato chips, cookies, and candy. Instead, opt for healthy snacks that include protein and fiber, such as nuts, seeds, fruits, and vegetables. These types of snacks will keep you full for longer and provide you with essential nutrients that your body needs. If you are a senior and you skip one or more of these meals, you may want to rethink your strategy. Eating regularly can help you maintain a healthy weight, keep your blood sugar levels in check, and provide your body with the essential nutrients it needs to stay healthy. Just make sure that you are eating healthy foods at each meal, so that you can get the most out of your diet. If you enjoyed this video and would like more content like this, please let us know by hitting the subscribe button. We would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.